Well, hey there, John here from Big Dreams Travel. Thanks so much for joining us on our channel today. I've got a room tour for you from a standard room here at the Iberostar Paraiso Lindo. This is an Iberostar selection property here at their Paraiso complex in the Riviera Maya, south of Cancun, Mexico. So let's take a look around the room. Thanks for joining us so much. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Let's look around. All right, so as I come into the room, on the right, we will start here in the bathroom. Single sink here. Amenities and things on the wall. We've got the toilet around the corner. There's a makeup mirror. And towels and things on the lower level. A couple larger glasses there. That's kind of nice if you're drinking water. Typically hotel cups are small and they don't last you too long. But here's the shower, hot and cold. Fairly nicely appointed shower with the rainfall head, and the amenities are on the wall. So that is the bathroom. Looks like hair dryers up here on the shelf. I missed that. Next up here by the door is the closet area. So the safe, ironing board, and some shelves here on this side. And on the other end, you do have robes in this room. There is an iron back there if you are wondering. Also an umbrella in the back. It's nice. But the hanging stuff on that side. Next little bit here is the coffee and water station. Give you a couple bottles to use there. There's not any water in them currently, but the station, and there's the coffee and tea selection. And then we'll go down into the minibar. It is stocked. I'm excited to see Coke Zero here. You don't get that too often, and even some Sprite Zero. It's nice for a change, and some beers and things like that down at the bottom. No bottles of water. I'm not sure if that should be or not. A little place for your luggage here as I come into the room. And then there is the dresser below the television. They did leave me some welcome gifts here, but just shelving in both of these. There are some drawers here in the bottom. Got some drawers. This is just a standard room. Very nice room, bright. The art there is nice. The bed looks nice. End tables on both sides, outlets, and USB. Here, there's a little table and sitting area, along with the phone on this side, more USBs and outlets, all the light switches, the thermostat. And then over here is a couch, but I do believe this can also be a day bed. If you just remove these back cushions, if you've got 3 people in this room, they can sleep on the day bed. It is dark outside, so I probably can't do the balcony too much justice, but there is no view for this room. Just a standard balcony here with 2 chairs. It is a garden view, so looking out on the garden area. But that will do it here from Iberostar Paraiso Lindo. This is, again, a standard view room. But thanks so much for joining us, for being a part of our channel. If you want to book this Iberostar complex or any other all-inclusive, let one of our agents know, www.bigdreamstravelusa.com. They would love to help. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We'll see you next time.